Every culture has its own creation myth, its own cosmology. And in some respects, every cosmology is true. Even if I might flatter myself in assuming mine is somehow true, because it is scientific. But it seems to me that no culture, including scientific culture, has cornered the market on definitive answers when it comes to the ultimate question. Science may couch its models in the language of mathematics and observation astronomy, while other cultures use poetry and sacrificial propitiations to defend theirs. But in the end, one person knows. The current flux in the state of scientific cosmology attests to this, as we watch physicists and astronomers argue over string theory and multiverses and the cosmic inflation hypothesis. Many of the postulates of modern cosmology lie beyond all, at least at the outer fringes of what can be verified through observation. As a result, aesthetics, as reflected by the elegance of the mathematical models, has become as important as observation in assessing the validity of a cosmological theory. There is the assumption, sometimes explicit and sometimes not, that the universe is rationally constructed, that it has an inherent quality of beauty, and that any mathematical model that does not exemplify an underlying, unifying simplicity is to be considered dubious, if not invalid, on such criteria alone. This is really nothing more than an article of faith, and it is one of the few instances where science is faith-based, at least in its insistence that the universe can be understood, that it